Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English वाली मैम. सो आज के T20 सेशन जो हमारी T20 सीरीज चल रही है EPL Easily Perfect Your Literature, आज के सेशन में we are going to be reading the poem titled Fog, which is written by Carl Sandburg. Now this is a very short poem, so we will start reading it and I will explain you what the poem is about, और उसी के साथ हम समझेंगे the poetic devices as well as the rhyme scheme of the poem. So let's get started. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. So this is just a 5 or 6 line poem wherein the poet has described the arrival of the fog as well as the departure of the fog. So the poet has compared fog to a cat. So he says जिस तरह से एक cat जो है it comes very silently, it comes unnoticed, same is the case with fog. It comes in a very silent way and then it covers the entire city. The way a cat is generally seen, or the cat is said to sit on its haunches and then it looks around at each and everything. आपने कभी भी अगर किसी cat को देखा होगा, when it is sitting, you will see the cat is actually observing its surroundings. So the poet is comparing the fog similar to a cat, and जिस तरह से एक जो cat है, it gradually leaves a particular place. It doesn't stay at a particular place permanently. Same is the case with fog, that it also leaves the city. Okay, so इस poem की जो major explanation है that I have given you. Now, अब हम आते हैं what are the poetic devices of this poem. So पहला जो poetic device है जो हमें दिख रहा है बहुत clearly, that is personification. Okay, तो हम सबको पता है personification poetic device जो होता है, that we say that a particular poem or a particular line has personification जब कोई नेचर का एस्पेक्ट या फिर कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग एक ऐसा फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं जो सिर्फ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो जैसे द फॉग कम्स देन सिट्स ऑन इट्स haunches. सो these are examples of personification. सेकेंड जो हमारे पास पोएटिक डिवाइस आता है यहाँ पर, वो है मेटाफर. And how is that? Because the poet has very clearly compared fog to a cat. Then you also have enjambment as the poetic device, because आप देख सकते हो that one line, a single sentence has been continued in further lines. And talking about the rhyme scheme of the poem, so very simple to understand. जो rhyme scheme है इस poem की, उसमें क्या हो रहा है that this entire poem is written in a free verse, because जब आप words देखते हो end के, comes, feet, looking, city, haunches, moves on, कोई भी word आपस में rhyme नहीं कर रहा है. So this poem is written as a free verse. अब जब हम इस poem के next session में मिलेंगे, we will answer the questions which are given at the end of the poem, और उसी के साथ I am going to share some extra questions that are most likely to be asked from this particular poem. Okay, till then, stay blessed, and of course do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you.